Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the print quality of your HP printer outputs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best results should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, select the View By up at the top right and select Category. And then you want to select Hardware and Sound. Underneath Devices and Printers, select the Advanced Printer Setup button. And then select the HP printer from this list. Select the Printer Properties button. And now select the Device Settings tab. Now we want to locate where it says print density. So if you want to make it darker and more toner to be used, you can move it higher up to the 5 setting. If you want to make it less dense, which will mean less toner used, and likely it'll also be a faster print job as well, you can select a lower density. And you can do some sample prints and just kind of go in between the settings here with the scroll bar and just see what setting works best for you. And then once you've made your selection choice, select Apply and OK to save that. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.